train home. Birds pass by to tell me that I'm not alone. Well, I'm pushing myself to finish this part and handle a lot. One thing I'm missing is your eyes, your eyes, your eyes, your eyes, your eyes, your eyes, your eyes. Have you seen this film? It reminds me of walking through the avenues, washing my hands, attachments, yeah, laying